What do you think are the main trends in influencer marketing? Where is it going?
So, big question there, right? There are so many different topics. Obviously, we're at a conference which is very tech-focused, and there's Deep Fest, obviously, as well, as part of this, very connected to AI. But I know Casper's got a lot of thoughts on that, so I'll save that for him. But for me, one of the big trends that we're seeing in influencer marketing is the role of creators outside of social media, right? What we're seeing is brands are seeing the power of creators as key voices and being able to use content that creators have actually built for social media, but reuse it in other formats. So creators' assets actually being turned into assets for out-of-home billboards, or creator assets being turned into the programmatic ads online. So that is a huge trend which is changing. And I think where we've seen that shift is that maybe 4 or 5 years ago, influencer marketing was more seen as like a budget afterthought. Now influencer marketing is its own line item on a media plan, but where I think influencer marketing is actually going is it's going to be a line item under every media line, because you're going to see what budget in our out-of-home should be proportioned to creators, which budget for TV should be proportioned to creators. And I think that's a huge trend, and people are going to be wanting to go where the creator relationships are. So if your brand isn't using creators, you need to be using them because they are the ones that have the voice.